Welcome to an extraordinary 4.5-acre oasis that blends luxury, tranquility, and unmatched design. This award-winning single-level residence features 5 separate pavilions, interconnected by a stunning glass gallery, offering the perfect balance of togetherness and privacy. Inside, every detail is crafted to perfection, from the gourmet kitchen with a cold room and triple ovens, to the state-of-the-art cinema and expansive living areas with a cozy fireplace. Outdoors, enjoy a private garden paradise with over 2,000 plants, a freshwater pond with waterfalls, and a gazebo nestled within botanical gardens. Host events on the vast alfresco deck, relax in the luxurious master suite, or take in the serenity of your surroundings. The property also boasts ample space for your collection, including a 15-car showroom, a basketball court, and a modern 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom dwelling. With a 30-kilowatt solar system, 19 car parks, and high-end features like reclaimed timber and international stone, this home offers an unparalleled lifestyle just 17 k's from the CBD. Come experience this one-of-a-kind retreat, where every moment feels like a dream.